If your Windows PC won't boot or you forgot the password, you need a recovery USB. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Lazesoft bootable USB disk in just a few minutes. You only need a USB flash drive and Lazesoft Recovery Suite. Download Lazesoft Recovery Suite. Click Burn CD USB disk to open the Lazesoft Media Builder. Select Windows version, same as this computer by default. Select USB flash device. Click Start. Lazesoft needs to format the USB disk before creating the bootable media. Make sure the USB drive does not contain important files. Then click Yes to confirm formatting and continue. Lazesoft will automatically create the bootable recovery USB. Restart your computer and press the boot menu key to boot from the USB disk. After booting, you can reset Windows passwords, repair boot problems, recover data, and more. If your BIOS boot menu does not show the USB disk, your computer may only support UEFI boot mode. In Lazesoft Media Builder, click More Options, then select the USB disk option. After that, choose either GPT partition scheme for UEFI systems or MBR partition scheme for older BIOS systems. Then click Start to create the bootable USB. Download Lazesoft Recovery Suite Home Edition for free and create your own Windows recovery disk. Download it now.